Hi friends, welcome back to ARC Tutorials. This is AI Masterclass series where I'm making AI concepts simple and easy for you to understand. In today's episode, we are going to learn what is a system prompt. Very important topic, I would say critical topic, especially in terms of guardrails, governance. You must know what is a system prompt. Let's get started. This is part 17. Make sure that you have seen all the previous episodes in this series in order to learn AI concepts in simple and easy way. So, what exactly is a system prompt? A system prompt is a hidden instruction given to the AI before you talk to it. It controls the tone, behavior, rules, and personality. You don't see it, but it shapes every answer. So every time you're talking to any AI model, say ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Copilot, there is a hidden prompt that is always in play which sets the tone, behavior, rules, personality of the AI model. It's important because you want to govern the data. You want to have the guardrails. You want to make sure that your AI model is talking in a safe and ethical manner. Now, think of it from a digital intern that we are talking about in terms of analogy. Imagine that before the intern meets users, the manager says, always be polite, never reveal private data, answer like a senior developer, keep answers crisp and short. The intern follows those rules for every conversation. That means system prompt is your manager's instruction which every company, ChatGPT, Google, or Microsoft, all of these, they will put that in front of every AI model's response. Now, why is it important? Think of it like this. It's like a global configuration. It's like a middleware rules. It's like an app level settings. That means every time user will input something, it goes to an AI model and then it goes and checks for the system prompt and then it will give you the output. It defines how the AI behaves overall. That's why it's very important. Now, from a simple mental model, what should you think? A prompt is what you ask. A system prompt is how the AI is wired to behave. AI prompt sets the personality and the rules of your AI model. Now, these are important, like I said, from privacy, from security, from governance, from guardrails. All of this is inbuilt into the system prompt. That's why whenever you try to talk something harmful, something like a privacy perspective, the system prompt pitches in and says, do not answer that. That's why system prompts are extremely important in training an AI model. Follow me for more such simplified AI explanations on a daily videos. Like, share, and subscribe these videos. Follow me this series, AI Masterclass series, in order to learn and master AI with me. Thank you so much for joining. See you in the next episode.